The next lesson is now the second layer. And in this case, what I'm going to do is really, I'm only worrying about 1, 2, 3, 4, because the centers never change. So really all I'm worrying about is these sides. So in this case, I'm going to look on the top and I'm going to look for anything that doesn't have a yellow, but only the sides. So this one does not have a yellow, so it's red and green. So I'm going to move this in front of the red. And if I look, it has to go over here. So red and green, this one belongs here, red and green. So we're going to move this one down. And the way I do it is I move it, if this is the green and this is the red, this is where I want to move this over to the side. So I'm going to move it to the opposite side of where I want to put it in. And I'm going to take this corner out. I'm going to move it back, move it down. Then I'm going to move my cube and I'm going to flick and then move the white back in. Now all of a sudden I've moved that corner in. And the same thing goes for all the rest. So in this case, I'm looking for blue, orange. This one over here is where it belongs. So in this case, I'm going to move it opposite of where I want to move it. So I want to move it over here. So I'm going to move it opposite. I'm going to flick this out of the way. And then I'm going to move my cube and I'm going to solve that white and put that back in. And there it is. And the last one is green and orange. So same thing, I move it to the opposite side. Now I go take that white out. I'm going to move it to the side and then basically, and now I've done my second layer.